Hi there, I'm Beth Ramsden, and today I'll be opening up 3 of these surprise handbag rainbow high boxes. I've got 1 shadow high and 2 rainbow high, and you might notice a couple of these are already opened because I tried to unbox them yesterday and the cameras weren't behaving, so I'll just reopen them today for you, but I haven't seen this one at all yet. Now these I've not had before. I saw Sarah from Octo Pudding opening some on a recent video, and she mentioned that they were at B&M in the UK at a reduced price of £6.99. So I managed to get a few to try out, because who doesn't like a little bargain? So I'll get right into it. I'll start with the 2 that I did pop open yesterday and show you what I've got. Okay, start with this green one. Now I did get the collector's guide already out of one of them. So we can see in the top we've got this lovely like miniature receipt and certificate of authentication or authenticity, and we've got like a little display card as well, which is super cute. The Rainbow High one has Rainbow High written at the top of the receipt. It's incredibly tiny, absolutely love it. So inside we've got the dust bag, which is super cute. These could totally be made into like little sports backpacks or something if you were to sew the bottoms of the drawstrings to the back. I bet that could make a cute little backpack. But these are very nice way to store your handbags. And inside the green one we have got lovely tissue paper. It's really cute detail. And inside we have, oh, yes, the green tote bag. Now I do have the collector's guide here. Put that aside. Now here are the handbags that you can get. If I buy any more, I really would like to get this one. It's Sunny Madison's handbag and has a sun and a moon. If I remember right, I saw Sarah at Octo Pudding get that bag. Love it, beautiful. So what we have here is Jade Hunter's tote bag, and if you can see, sorry about the shiny, it has rainbow embroidered on it. Now my bag actually has a little of the embroidery missing, so it looks like it says Rainbow, but there we go. It's very cute all the same, and fully openable so you can put things inside. Now moving on, we've got the Shadow High box. Get this open, and so I already took out the bits and bobs from that one. Now in this box we have the black dust bag. Very nice. A nice way to maybe store shoes and things as well. If you're just trying to collect them together by colour, would be really cool if you had lots and lots. And here we go, lovely tissue paper again. Let's see. We have got black backpack, very cool, and it's got like a little pouch on the front. Oh, now mine is actually, just noticed, I think mine's coming away a little bit, maybe needs a little bit of mending, but it has a faux zip on the front, a little SH sort of zip pull at the side there. It's got embroidery SH, really cool graffiti style pattern, and we have the backpack straps with little silver buckles there at the bottom. Really cute, that one. I'm very happy. It will definitely go with a lot of the fashions that I like to dress my dolls in. So looking at the guide, that is, oh, it just says Shadow High, so it's not a specific character. Gosh, I would really like to get one of these. Oh, it's a Maya Rain. I love those as well. I think those are my favourite designs. that I could get if I get any more of these in future. Very cool. All right, on to the last one, which is to me today a surprise. You might notice I've rearranged the studio a little bit as well. I've got a different desk out in the middle, so getting used to a new layout. So we open this. Go, and let's see, this is a rainbow coloured one. So there's a possibility it could be the bag that I want, I think. So we have the tickets in the front, and the little card I can see behind there has rainbow colouring if you wanted to display all your bags. So inside we have a white dust bag, very nice, with the gold lettering. I have to do something with all these. Very cute. Put them aside, and exciting, gosh, I love the rainbow. I have to keep these boxes as well. Now, let's see what I've got. Fingers crossed. Yay! Oh, excellent. Oh, I'm really happy. Okay, I do have the Amaya Rain, and it's... Oh, I always forget to look at the rarity. So this is a rare one. There is a sort of desaturated coloured one, and then there's this one with the beige, which I like both, to be honest. So this is a rare. The black and white Shadow High backpack was an ultra rare, apparently, and I think just a regular bag for Jade Hunter's tote. So here we go, get a better look. It's got a golden dollar sign on the strap there. Nice thin straps, that's really quite nice. They're actually plastic, so I think I might warm them up a little bit because they're bending off to one side, if you can see. But they have a lovely rainbow stripe going through the middle. It's just a cool bag. Yeah, I like that one. Oh, excellent. Well, stick with me. I will go and pair these 3 bags with some of my dolls, see what size everything suits, and see if I've got some clothes to match everything. So stick around to see some final shots of those. But otherwise, thank you very much for watching. Thank you, Sarah at Octopudding, for the hot tip. And I'll see you again very soon. Okay, bye-bye.